Happy birthday, Biral Bacha. Happy, happy, happy birthday. I think this is the time you reached your 30s, and that's really cool. So, I want to say thank you for spending 12 years of your life with me, and more to come. I think we'll live 30 or 60 years together more. So, today I have recorded something for you because I really mean that. Yeah, it's a nice view of downtown San Jose, you can see. But what I want to say is that, I have to say that today. So what I want to say that, what you mean to me. And whatever I say, I have been with this boy, that boy, at least you know that that doesn't mean anything to me and to you, because we're always together in every thick and thin. So choosing this song for you is basically because, from growing up, I've met so many boys, and so many people. And somebody went for my looks, somebody wanted a friend like me, somebody wanted the fidelity from me, but nobody wanted the demon in me, the bad things. You've seen the darkest side of mine. So and still you are with me from the past 12 years, and whatever people say that I am not loyal to you, maybe it's killing my words, because people's thoughts are really shallow. They judge on the side, like seeing the cover, judging a book by the cover. It's not good, because you know that what you meant to me and what I meant to you, right? Because if you have spent like 12 good years, I think most people that's why I want to say that I love you, and happy, happy, happy birthday, and just stay with me forever, because you were a friend, and you are not just a lover or a husband, because you're more than that. I can talk every little girly talk with you, everything. I have a crush on someone, or you have a crush on someone, we can discuss that. Like, it's more than friendship. I think it's being like, you're my parent, you're my brother, and you're my best friend, whatever you are. But you are, because we fight every day, and still it feels that it's very new. It feels like that we just fell in love few days back. So happy birthday, and I love you a lot, and thanks for taking the demon in me, because nobody takes that, dear. And thanks for being so selfless. And I'll just sing something for you. So okay, so here it goes. I know it's crazy. Downtown, and I'm just recording this video sitting in a crazy neighborhood. So I'll say, hiding from the rain and snow, Trying to forget, but I won't let go. Looking at the crowded streets, well, there's no people also. Listening to my own heartbeat. So many people all around the world. Tell me, where do I find someone like you, boy? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me what love is, haven't got a clue. Show me that wonders can be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today. Love is now or never. Bring me far away.